Hello everybody, welcome back to our Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the response time on your TCL 27G64. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings of your TCL by clicking the blue, not the blue but the white button right at the bottom. Here we will have the menu and here we will have the response time. Now here we can change it from normal to fast or fastest. I recommend keeping it at the fastest option if you're playing the games on the monitor. And this setting is totally up to your preference. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.